Welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you several simple ways to make money online. Even if you're a complete beginner, these methods are accessible and don't require specialized skills. Let's get started. First method, Netflix Tagger. Did you know you can get paid between $7,000 and $80,000 per year just for watching movies and shows on Netflix? After watching, you tag the content with categories, genres, and maturity ratings. To apply, visit the official Netflix careers site and take a tagging test. Website Creator with AI. Second method, use AI to become a website creator. With the site 10WEB, you can create high-quality websites in minutes. Create an account, answer a few questions, and the AI does the rest for you. It's quick and efficient. Shoutouts on Instagram and TikTok. Third method, do shoutouts on Instagram and TikTok. Promoting other accounts can earn you between $50 and $500 per shoutout. With an account that has many followers, you can earn up to $400 per shoutout. Try developing meme accounts to start easily. Selling internet bandwidth. Fourth method, sell your unused internet bandwidth with platforms like Honeycon. You can earn about $20 to $50 per month by sharing your internet connection. Easy and effortless. Posting on X, formerly Twitter. Sixth method, post on X, formerly known as Twitter. Create viral content and earn money based on the visibility of your posts. You need at least 500 followers and a Twitter Blue account to participate. These methods vary in terms of earnings and effort required, but they all offer accessible ways to make money online. Try the ones that suit you best and start increasing your income today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.